How to refresh quick ad on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Snapchat application on your device. You will be led to the camera. Here on the top left of your screen, you will see your profile icon or your Bitmoji. Tap on that and then tap on the settings button. In order to refresh the quick ad, you will have to clear the cache on your application. So in settings, under privacy controls, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. In the pop-up that appears, tap on clear. Once the cache is removed, your Snapchat has to be restarted. So tap on OK and then open the Snapchat application all over again. You will be led to the camera and on the top right, you will see the add friend icon. Tap on that. You can see the quick ad is loading, which also means that the suggestions are being refreshed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.